Welcome, beloved friends. Tonight, as the world settles into its slumber, we embark on a journey unlike any other. A journey into the realm of healing while you sleep. You might be wondering, can I truly heal while I sleep? The answer, my dear one, is a resounding yes. Our bodies, our minds, and our spirits are incredibly resilient, and sleep is a powerful, often underestimated tool for restoration. Imagine this. As you drift into the quiet embrace of night, your conscious mind steps aside. It's in this sacred space that your subconscious, a vast reservoir of wisdom and innate healing power, takes center stage. It's here that the deepest work can begin, the power of subconscious healing. Think of your conscious mind as the captain of a ship, navigating the day's tasks. But your subconscious mind, that's the powerful engine room, quietly running everything beneath the surface. Your breath, your heartbeat, and yes, your body's incredible capacity for repair. During sleep, your body isn't just resting, it's actively repairing. Cells regenerate, tissues mend, and your immune system strengthens. But beyond the physical, your subconscious mind is also processing emotions, releasing stress, and seeking balance, preparing your sacred space for sleep and healing. To unlock this profound healing potential, we first prepare our sacred space, both external and internal. Firstly, your physical environment. Make your bedroom a sanctuary. Dim the lights, ensure a comfortable temperature, and perhaps diffuse some calming essential oils like lavender or chamomile. This signals to your body that it's time to unwind. Secondly, your internal environment. Before you even lie down, take a few deep intentional breaths. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Let go of the day's worries. For the next few moments, nothing else matters but your well-being. The healing prayer journey begins now. As you settle into your bed, feel the support beneath you. Let your body relax, limb by limb. Release any tension in your jaw, your shoulders, your hips, your feet. We are about to invite divine healing into every fiber of your being. These are not just words, these are intentions, seeds of wellness planted deep within your subconscious. Prayers for physical healing. Let us begin with prayers for physical healing. As I speak these words, I pray for my immune system to be strong and vibrant, a fortress protecting me from all illness and disease. I release all physical ailments and embrace a state of wholeness and vitality. Prayers for emotional and mental healing. Now, let us turn our attention to emotional and mental healing. The burdens we carry during the day often manifest as inner turmoil. Tonight, we release them. Gracious Spirit, I invite your peace into the depths of my being. I pray for the healing of my mind from all worry, fear, and negativity. Let clarity and peace reign supreme. I pray for the release of all past hurts, traumas, and resentments. I forgive myself and others, and I embrace the liberating power of compassion. I pray for the healing of my emotions, allowing joy, love, and serenity to fill every space that was once occupied by sadness or anger. I release the need to control and surrender to your divine flow. I pray for a renewed sense of self-worth and confidence, knowing that I am worthy of love, happiness, and abundant health. I release all self-doubt and embrace my inner strength. Prayers for spiritual healing and connection. Finally, let us elevate our prayers to spiritual healing and connection. For true well-being encompasses not just the body and mind, but also the spirit within. Almighty Source, I seek deeper connection with your divine presence. I pray for the healing of my spirit, removing any blockages that hinder my connection to truth, purpose, and love. I pray for clarity regarding my life's path and the courage to walk it with grace and conviction. Guide me, inspire me, and illuminate my way. I pray for a profound sense of inner peace and contentment, knowing that I am always connected to something greater than myself. I release all feelings of separation and embrace divine unity. I pray to awaken with a renewed sense of purpose and passion, ready to embrace the new day with gratitude and vigor. May my spirit be a beacon of light in the world. Affirmations for deep sleep and healing. As you drift deeper into sleep, let these affirmations echo within your subconscious. Repeat them silently or simply allow them to wash over you. I am safe. I am loved. I am healing. My body is a temple of wellness. Every breath brings me closer to wholeness. I release all that no longer serves me. I awaken refreshed, renewed, and restored. Divine healing flows through me now. I am deeply and peacefully asleep. The morning after, awakening to renewal. As drink plenty of water, nourish your body with wholesome foods, and continue to speak life-affirming words over yourself. A continuous journey of healing. This isn't a one-time event. This is an invitation to a continuous journey of healing. Make these bedtime prayers a sacred ritual. The more consistently you engage, the deeper and more profound the healing will be. Remember, your body wants to heal. Your mind wants peace. Your spirit wants connection. All you need to do is create the space and give permission. As you close your eyes tonight, rest in the comforting knowledge that you are held, you are loved, and you are always, always healing.